Running your own business is crazy enough, but when your data is spread out across spreadsheets and multiple software platforms, it's a struggle to understand exactly how your business is performing. And without concrete, measurable data, how can you empower your team for accelerated business growth? That's where dataSights come in. We offer a full range of data solutions and services customized to your business goals. Say goodbye to the pain of manual data exports. dataSights relieves business stress by bringing the fragmented data from all of your software platforms into one set of clear dashboards and data solutions. First, our team helps you determine the optimal metrics you should be measuring based on your goals, management style, KPIs and software platforms. Then we set up and build your solution. Finally, we continue tailoring it as your business evolves. With our solutions, you can immediately understand your business's position. Monitor whether you're winning new work, running profitable accounts and keeping clients satisfied. View staff performance at a glance and have peace of mind that your bottom line is growing. The possibilities are endless. Your business deserves more than one-size-fits-all cookie-cutter dashboards and charts. dataSights can effectively convert and consolidate your data into automated emails, Google Sheets, Excel, PowerBI, Tableau, Google Data Studio and more. We're already changing the way progressive companies across the world see their business with our customized data solutions. Get in touch for a demo and learn how dataSights can take your business to that next level today. dataSights, powerful data solutions.